Chris Polera. I'm a graduate student in Alex Jaeger's lab. And for my PhD project, I've been studying the effect of RAS inhibitors on antigen presentation in lung cancer. And so there's been a lot of work in lung cancer showing that when you treat cells with RAS inhibitors, you get this increase in CD8 T cell infiltration. But nobody's really asked what is the antigenic vulnerability that arises that drives these CD8 T cell responses. And so in the Jaeger lab, we have a variety of different mouse models that allow us to study both antigen presentation and translation dynamics in vivo in a tumor-specific fashion. And so we've been using these models and treating them with either the MRTX1133 G12D inhibitor or the FDA-approved adagrasib G12C inhibitor. And what we've seen from these experiments is that when we treat these cells, we're identifying a subset of antigens that are treatment-specific or treatment-induced. And when we take this immunopeptidomic data and we overline it with the ribosome profiling data and see how our translation dynamics shifting in parallel, we've identified this metabolic phenotype where there's an increase in iron and lipid metabolic enzymes that are also being reflected in the immunopeptidome. And so our future work is really going to focus on targeting these metabolic antigens and seeing, can we devise like cancer-specific vaccines or TCR mimetic antibodies that will allow us to create a new immunotherapy that can synergize with these RAS inhibitors.